Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I will be sharing with you Nykaa haul. I know that you all guys love haul videos and so I do. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, let me just take a moment to appreciate the packaging of Nykaa. I really love the packaging of Nykaa. They pack all their products in a good bubble wrap so that the products remain intact and safe. So that's why a big love for Nykaa. So the first product I have bought from Nykaa is this really affordable perfume. This is under 150 rupees guys. Can you imagine a perfume in 150 rupees? And this smells really nice, and this is called Ramson's La Opale. I will be attaching all the links in the description box below so that if you can like to purchase any of these products, just go and check it out from there. So the next product I have bought is also a perfume, and this is also really very affordable guys, and just look at the bottle. Isn't it so cute? I just love it. And this is from Temptation, and the prices and the links will be in the description box below. So the next product I picked from Nykaa is this foundation. It's Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And I use this foundation on a daily basis. So guys, then I got this two nail polish from Lakme. This is from their nail art collection, and I just love these two shades guys. This is a golden one with some black beads in it, and the other is a blue or a pinkish tone. I mean, it's kind of a rainbow effect it gives to your nails, and this cost me 155 rupees each. So the next product I want to show you guys, this blush from Swiss Beauty. And guys, I broke it on the very first day, so that's a little bit disappointing thing to me, but what can I do for that. But this blush is really very nice, and this cost me around 250, I mean under 250 rupees. So the next thing I picked from Nykaa is this Blue Heaven ka lip balms, and these are so cute guys. Just see, this is a coconut flavor, and the next is a strawberry flavor. Just look at the bottles. And the third one is a bubblegum flavor. So these three lip balms are basically colorless lip balms, as you can see, but they have their own smells. I mean, this bubblegum smells like a bubblegum, the coconut smells like a coconut, and the strawberry one smells like a strawberry obviously. So I really love how they look. So the next thing I picked up from Nykaa is this eyeliner from Nykaa, and this is a blue eyeliner, and this is really nice guys. Just see, this is really very nice. I just forgot the price. I will be attaching on the screen, so you can just check it out from there. So the next thing is, this is a brick highlighter from Swiss Beauty, and this look like this. So this is basically highlighter cum blusher palette. So these two shades are of highlighter and the rest are of blusher shades, and these shades are really very pigmented guys. Let me just swatch it for you. I'm just swatching two shades, one the highlighter shade and the other a blusher shade. Just see guys how great the pigmentation is. Just go and get yourself a one. I highly recommend this to you guys. So the next thing I got myself two brushes So the first one is from Color Bar. It is a blush brush and it is a bit pricey, but it really is a good product. I used it and I loved it. And the next brush I have with me is from Wet n Wild. It is a contour brush. As you can see the tip, it is slightly carved out. So I just pick these two brushes. Okay, so Nykaa just sent me a gift with my haul, and this is a matte lipstick and this is from Nykaa. This is a really nice nude brown color. But you know what guys, after using it for once, it's just broke from the root. I just put it back and somehow it is staying, but it is a bit disappointing because after using for the first time it broke. So naturally this thing happens with the free products, you know. So let's quickly see the next one. Okay, so next I have this eyeshadow palette. This is a eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. This looks like this. This is a colorful eyeshadow palette and all the shades here are matte shades. You will not get any shimmer or glitter shade here. And this palette calls Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Mattes. And if you want to see the swatches of these colors and how the palette actually works, or whether it is worth the money or not, I have been attaching a video which I have already made on this palette. So just go and check it out. I will be attaching on the I button. Just click there and see the video on this palette. And this cost me 950 rupees. So the next product I have is a loose pigment, and this is from Swiss Beauty again. This is a golden loose pigment. Loose pigments are something which we can use in multi-purpose ways. So if you guys want to see a video on how we can use loose pigments in different ways, please let me know in the comment section below. And I also have another loose pigments, and this is from Blue Heaven, and this is the silver one. This packaging is really nice. So next I ordered this primer. This is from Color Bar. This is Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, and this is a primer which gives you a really matte finish. I have been using this primer since a very long time. I just finished my bottle and I ordered this. This is a bit on a pricier side. I mean, it's cost me around 800 or 850 something. And the last product I have with me is a lipstick. This lipstick is from Biotique and the packaging looks like this. And let me swatch it for you guys. Okay, where to swatch? Oh my god, this is a very nice shade guys. Just see. So this claims to be a matte lipstick, but this is not a complete matte lipstick. It is a satin finish lipstick or creamy matte lipstick you can say. So guys, ये था मेरा आज का नायका का haul. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and also comment down below how you like these videos. And also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. And until next time, stay tuned, stay happy and stay safe. Bye bye guys.